Hi, my name is Millie and I'm with Mercedes-Benz Downtown Calgary. Today we'll be doing a driving overview of the brand new 2020 GLB 250. So one of the main features that I love about this vehicle is that there is an option to put in a third row in the back. This means that the vehicle is actually able to seat 7 passengers, which are able to seat 7 adults, not just children, so there's definitely a lot of space there. And if you remove the 2 rows, so the third and the second row, or just fold them down, you've got up to 1,805 litres of cargo capacity there as well, so lots of room. The vehicle also boasts a 2-litre turbocharged engine with an 8-speed transmission, which means that it's going to be super smooth on the road and extremely fuel efficient as well for city and highway driving. Comparatively speaking, this vehicle compared to the C300 wagon is actually 8 inches taller, which means for extra headspace, and it's also a little bit shorter than the wagon as well, which means it's easier to park and less stress for you. A quick demonstration of the optional third row in the back here. As you can tell, there's a ton of room here, extra space for groceries, sports equipment, whatnot. And simply pull the red lever and then this lever here to lock them into place. As you can see, there's still a lot of room. We'll go into the second row now. Now in the second row it's awesome because you can actually move it forwards and backwards to accommodate the people sitting in the back here and simply pop it up to put it back into the newest compact crossover by Mercedes-Benz, the GLB 250, starting at $43,990.